Hello everyone, so today we'll be solving an interesting problem. This problem came in IIT JEE in the year 2009. So let's start with the problem. The problem is find the value of I for which summation of this sequence, that is 1 upon cos of n multiplied by cos of n plus 1, and here n is varying from the lower indexes n is equal to 0 to 88. The sum of this 89 terms is equal to cotangent of I multiplied by cosec of I, and here our motive is to calculate the value of I. So let's start with the problem. Now, as I told you, we have to calculate, our motive is to calculate the value of I for which the sum of 89 terms is equal to I. Now, this is one of the classic example of a telescopic series and it is very interesting problem. So now there is a particular method to tackle this kind of problem. The method is given by this note. So the note says that whenever two cosine terms or two sine terms are given in denominator, then we have to multiply and divide by the sign of difference of angle in denominator. So I'll explain what is the note is saying. So summation as it is, and here the summation is dependent on the value of n. So n is equal to 0 to 88 as it is, and we have cos of n multiplied by cos of n plus 1. Now the note is saying that we have to multiply and divide by the sign of difference. Okay, the sign of difference is, see the angle, one of the angle is n plus 1, so I'll write here n plus 1 minus the other angle, right? So n plus 1 minus n. Now if you subtract, you will get sine of 1. The remaining difference of the angle is 1 degree. So here we got sine of 1 degree, but earlier we had 1 here. So in order to generate 1 again, I'll divide by sine of 1 degree. Now let's rewrite this as summation as it is. Okay, 1 upon sine 1 degree. Now I'll open this sine a minus b. I'll apply the compound angle formula, sine of a minus b, that is sine of n plus 1 multiplied by cos of n, negative times of cos of n plus 1 multiplied by sine of n, whole divided by the same thing, that is cos of n multiplied by cos of n plus 1. Now I'll do one thing, in summation I'll separate out, I'll divide the first term by cos of n multiplied by cos of n plus 1, and I'll do this for the second term also. I'll divide by the same thing. So I am keeping 1 upon sine 1 degree as it is, and here I'll divide. So here n is varying from 0 to 88. Now this first term divided by cos of n multiplied by cos of n plus 1. As I can see, cos of n will cancel out with cos of n, and the remaining is sine of n plus 1 upon cos of n plus 1. That gives me tan of n plus 1. Negative times of, now this for the second term divided by cos of n multiplied by cos of n plus 1. As you can see, cos of n plus 1, cos of n plus 1 will cancel out, and I'll get sine of n by cos of n, that is again tan of n. Now in the next slide I'm going to solve this series, and I'll tell you we're going to convert this series into a telescopic series. So now let's move to the next slide. So here, as I told you, we got this as 1 upon sine 1 degree multiplied by summation of tan of n plus 1 minus tan of n, and here n was varying from 0 to, as you can see, 88. So let's rewrite the series. Okay, I'm putting the value. Now I'll put the value of n is equal to 0 to 88. Now you'll see the series will be converted into a telescopic series. So let's put n is equal to 0 here, and I'll do one thing, I'll keep 1 upon sine 1 degree outside as it is, and I'll deal with the summation inside. So let's put n is equal to 0. We'll get this as you can see, tan of 0 plus 1, that is tan of 1 degree minus tan of 0 degree. Now put n is equal to 1, because summation is varying from up to 88, so 89 terms we have. So for n is equal to 1, we'll get this as tan of 2 degree minus tan of 1 degree. Now put n is equal to 2, we'll get tan of 3 degree minus tan of 2 degree, and so on. I'll follow this trend up to n is equal to, the last is 88. So let's put n is equal to 88, we'll get this as tan of 89 minus tan of 88, right? Now if I add all these terms, okay, if I add all these terms, I'll get the summation value, right? I'll get the summation value. So let's add all the terms. So we have 1 upon sine 1 degree as it is. Now I'll add all the terms. Now as you can see here, plus tan of 1 minus tan of 1 degree will cancel out. Plus tan of 2 and minus tan of 2 degree will cancel out. Plus tan of 3 and minus tan of 3 will cancel out, and so on. This trend will follows up to the last term. And I'll write the remaining terms. The remaining terms are tan 89 degree minus the last one is tan of 0 degree. Now as you can see, whenever you see alternate cancellation of alternate positive negative terms, okay, then this kind of series is known as telescoping series, where alternate cancellation you will see. Now here I'll find the final value, that is tan of 89 degree minus tan of 0 degree. As you can see, tan of 0 degree is 0 and remaining is tan of 89 degree upon sine of 1 degree. Now our motive is to convert this into cotangent multiplied by cosec. As I can see, sine, I can write this in cosec by taking reciprocal, that is cosec of 1 degree. Okay, and tan of complementary angle will be converted into cot, that is cot of 1 degree. Now as you can see, I have converted this into cotangent and cosec. Now the value of I is equal to 1 degree. So this is our final answer. So that will be all for this kind of problem. Okay, you can deal this kind of problem by multiplying sine of difference of the angle. That is the funda for this kind of problem. Okay, and that will be all, and thank you.